Guys, welcome back to my channel. There is this new platform for revenue earning that just came out this month, May 2024. It is called Ensolar. I want to make a review so that you will know whether this platform is fake or not. At the end of this video, I'll be telling you the pros and cons of this platform. I will tell you if the platform is legit or if it is fake or if it is scam. You will know. So stay tuned to this video. Before I continue, please, if you're watching my channel for the first time, please kindly do it to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that when I post new videos, you'll be notified. So the platform is called ensolar.com. As at the time of making this video, the platform is real. It came out early this year and early this month, May 2024, and it is still very fresh. And I'm giving you the guarantee that as when this video was made, the platform is legit. This video was made on the 12th of May 2024, and the platform is still legit and is still new. I've already invested in the platform. You can see details here. This 1,906 naira was a withdrawal which I placed today, being on the 12th of May 2024. I also placed the withdrawal. The first withdrawal was 1,791. That was on the 8th of May 2024. These are the two withdrawals I have made, and these are my earnings. First of all, I registered with the platform and I paid in 10,000 naira. You can see it here. You can see purchasing of product here, 10,000 naira. You see. Okay, first of all, I did a top up of 10,000 naira. You can see it on the 7th of May, and then I used that 10,000 naira to buy a product. Then from that time, the 10,000 naira have been giving me all this money you see in red is what I've been making. If the only minus here is what I've done withdrawal. You can see withdrawal application, and the money have hit my account already. I have seen it in my account. That's why I'm telling you, because it is legit. If it is not paying, I won't waste my time telling you. And then there are other things you can know. If you want to know how to use the platform, I will tell you that. But I'm not guaranteeing you that this platform will stay forever. This platform is actually a platform that just come out to make people make money. But the platform cannot stay forever. It will actually close, just like others have always come and they will close. But no one knows when it will close. But for now, it is still new. It came out May, and being new, it means it can stay for, let's say, throughout this year or more than that. But I don't know when it will close and how long it will stay. I'm not your financial advisor, so I cannot guarantee you or advise you on how to invest or what to invest. So, but I will advise you to invest and make your money. Any amount you invest, you make it up in 1 month. And this platform is said to stay for more than 1 month. So any amount you invest, I'm very sure you will make the money back in 1 month. But if you want to invest, invest wisely. Don't go and use your school fee to invest. Don't go and use the money that was given to you to keep to invest. Use the money you know you can spare. The money you know that in case anything happen, you cannot hang yourself. Use it to invest and try. If it work for you, you can now put in all the money you have in all your bank account. But for a trial, they have packages like let's go to my devices. Okay, let's go to here. They have a shopping mall. They have a device of 30,000 naira. This device, if you buy it, you earn 1,005 daily, and you earn for up to one year. They have the package of 10,000 naira, which I used to try. Daily, I earn 499 naira. And if you check it in a month, it is more than the money I invested. 499 times 30 will give me 14,070 naira. That is what I make in a month, or that is what I will make in a month. So in a month, I am very guaranteed of making back my money, even if the platform is no more. There's a one called Solar Power 2. This one is 5,000 naira and it is 249 naira a day. And if you times it by a month, 249 times 30 days, it is 7,470 naira. So you make your money back plus gain in a month. So you can invest in this platform for just a month to try and see how it will be. And this money you are going to earn for a year, but in a month you have made by your money. The remaining 11 months is a gain for you. There's a one of 100,000, then of 3,000 naira is even there also. Then of 50k is there, but then of 100,000, 3,000 naira. If you earn 99 naira a day times 30 days, you earn 2,970. This package here, if you subscribe for this package, you not make back your money in a month, but you make it up in a month and 1 day. That is 31 days before you can make back your money in this platform. So please, this video is to tell you if the platform is real or not. But I'm guaranteeing you, because I have made 2 withdrawals and the money is in my account. This platform is real and legit as I when this video is being made. But I'm not guaranteeing you of the platform staying forever. So please do well to register. If you want to create an account, see my code here, see the link. Okay, see my invitation code here. Use it to register. 57LQ2D. The link is here. I will also let me paste the link so that you see the link. You see the full link. Okay, this is the full link here. You can see it here, http://ensolar.live.dist and so on. This is the link. I will also provide the link in the description of this video so that you can click on it and create an account. If you create the account, you will earn 1,000 naira. Yes, if you create an account using this my link, they will pay you. They will give you 1,000 naira bonus already for using my link. But if you create the account without using my link, without using this link, they will not give you the 1,000 naira. You must be under somebody to make money. So if you want to register on your own without being under somebody, you will not earn free 1,000. But if you create account with this link, so that you'll be under me, you will earn 1,000 naira as you just create the account, which you can withdraw anytime, any day. Please, thank you for watching this video. Do well to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that when I post new videos, you'll be notified. If you have any question, comment, or inquiry, use the comment section to ask me your questions and I will give you a reply. If you want to know how to recharge your account, how to fund your wallet, contact me. I will tell you how to fund your wallet, how to recharge, how to buy, and even how to withdraw. Thank you. Do have a nice day.